Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a zoom rotation for your video edits in Capcut. First, just add your clips and then just click on the first video and add keyframes at the beginning and also the end. Do this for every clips. And after that, go to the second keyframe on the clips and then zoom out the video and rotate it to 3 or 4 degrees. Then zoom the clip back in like this. And just repeat the step for all of the clips. Okay, so after you do this for all clips and you are done, and here is the result for the zoom rotation edit. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.